grueling physical fitness examinations to the rigorous academic assessments. These young leaders ready to serve their country with honor and pride. Ladies and gentlemen, the cadet candidates that will compose the PNA class of 2028.
Hindi na natin mazoom kasi hindi tayo Galaxy S24. Ayun o, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pangulit na. Bakit na?
The new Cadet Battalion Training Directorate is headed by its director, Lieutenant Colonel Ryan Edmund Isamonte, Philippine Army, with the 1st Company Commander, Major Joby Empire Cadet, Philippine Army, 2nd Company Commander, Major Clive G. Levin, Philippine Army, 3rd Company Commander, Major Joel Peter Man III, Philippine Army, and the 4th Company Commander, Major John Dave G. Aguilar, Philippine Army. Upon institution, aspiring Navy cadets undergo a range of emotions as they prepare for the rigorous tests and challenges that await them. From excitement and determination to anxiety and self-doubt, these young men and women experience a roller coaster of feelings as they strive towards their goal of joining the prestigious Philippine Military Academy. The intensity of the physical and mental training, combined with the high expectations placed upon them, can be overwhelming at times. However, it very challenges that help to shape them to the disciplined and resilient leaders that they aspire to become. The tests that aspiring Navy cadets must undergo are not just physical in nature, but also mental and emotional. From the grueling physical fitness exams to the rigorous academic assessments, these young individuals are pushed to their limits in order to prove their worthiness for entrance into the academy. They must demonstrate not only their physical strength and endurance, but also their intelligence, problem-solving skills, and ability to think quickly under pressure. The support group will now render to the new Cadet Battalion Commander that they are now ready to turn over the cadet candidates for PNA Class 2028. The new Cadet Battalion Training Directorate will now take over the cadet candidates that will compose the PMA class of 2028. The new Cadet Battalion Training Directorate is headed by its director, Lieutenant Colonel Ryan Edmond Isamonte Philippine Army, with the first company commander, Major Toby Emperader Philippine Army, second company commander, Major Clive T. Levy Philippine Army, third company commander, Major Joel B. Romano III Philippine Army, and the fourth company commander, Major John D. J. Aguilar Philippine Army. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Cadet Battalion Training Directorate, together with the cadet candidates for 2028.
As they march away from the ball-making field to proceed to their next duties, this signifies the start of training of the cadet candidates for PMA class of 2028. The pressure to succeed can be immense, but it is also what drives them to work harder and push themselves beyond their speed limits. In the end, those who are able to rise to the occasion and pass these tests with flying colors emerge as strong and confident and capable leaders ready to serve their country with honor and pride. From the grueling physical fitness examinations to the rigorous academic assessments, these young individuals are pushed to their limits in order to prove that they are worthiness for the entrance into academy.
Ano mo sasabi mo kay Kuya Lim?
They must demonstrate not only their
Good luck.
physical strength
Ano
and
sabihin mo kay
endurance,
Kuya Lim?
but also their intelligence,
Naringan mo.
problem-solving skills, and ability to lead.
Hindi pa naman start naman na yun.
Baka papatakboy na yan sila. Para maano mo kondisyon.